Welcome to the future of bag packing in 2024-2025. Let's explore the innovative techniques and trends shaping this essential task. In this era, smart packing solutions are revolutionizing travel preparations. Stay ahead with cutting-edge packing strategies. Efficiency meets sustainability as eco-friendly packing materials take center stage. Embrace the green revolution in bag packing. Personalization is key in the future of bag packing. Tailor your packing experience to suit your unique needs and preferences. Say goodbye to bulky luggage with compact packing solutions designed for convenience and ease of travel. Streamline your packing process. Technology integration enhances the packing experience, from smart packing apps to automated packing assistants. Embrace the digital age of packing. Stay organized and efficient with modular packing systems that optimize space and functionality. Elevate your packing game with smart organization. Embrace the minimalist packing trend for a hassle-free travel experience. Pack light, pack smart, and enjoy the freedom of minimalist travel. Effortlessly blend style and practicality in your packing choices. Elevate your travel look with fashionable yet functional packing solutions. Prepare for the future of bag packing by staying informed and adapting to the latest trends and innovations. Stay ahead of the packing game.